Hello guys, welcome back to Tech Tricks tutorial, and today we're gonna show you how to make Batman in Infinite Craft. This is a very easy way. All you have to do is follow step by step. So firstly, we're gonna add earth, then we add water. This will make plant, and then we add wind to get dandelion. Now we're gonna add water to get wine. Add more water, so we got holy water. Now we add fire, and we have vampire. Now we add wind, and then we add bat. Add bat one more time. Finally, you got Batman. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching.